Get ready to witness the return of a legend. The all-new 2025 Subaru Brat is here, blending classic heritage with cutting-edge innovation. In this video, we'll take a deep dive into the history of the Subaru Brat, explore its evolution, and give you an exclusive first look at the stunning design, advanced features, and powerful engine of the 2025 model. Let's dive in. The Subaru Brat, or the bi-drive recreational all-terrain transporter, made its debut in 1978. This compact pickup was Subaru's answer to the growing demand for versatile, off-road capable vehicles in the United States. The first-generation Brat stood out with its unique design, featuring rear-facing jump seats in the truck bed to bypass the import tariff on light trucks. It was powered by a 1.6-liter or 1.8-liter flat-4 engine, delivering enough punch for light off-roading while maintaining Subaru's reputation for reliability. The Brat gained a cult following for its quirky design, rugged performance, and Subaru's signature all-wheel drive. However, production ceased in 1994, leaving a void in Subaru's lineup that many fans longed to see filled. Fast forward to today, the 2025 Subaru Brat is a modern reinterpretation of that beloved classic, packed with contemporary features and technological advancements, while paying homage to its roots. The front fascia of the 2025 Subaru Brat is nothing short of bold and futuristic. The large hexagonal grille, flanked by sharp LED headlights, gives it a strong, confident look. The distinctive Subaru logo sits proudly in the center, surrounded by a sleek, dark mesh that adds a touch of aggressiveness to the overall appearance. The integrated fog lights and rugged bumper design hint at the vehicle's off-road prowess, ensuring that this Brat is more than just a pretty face. Moving to the side, the 2025 Brat showcases a muscular and sculpted body. The pronounced wheel arches house large all-terrain tires that are ready for any adventure. The side mirrors are aerodynamically designed, and the subtle character lines along the doors add to the dynamic and sporty look. The blend of sharp angles and smooth curves makes the Brat appear both robust and agile, perfect for tackling both city streets and rugged trails. The rear of the Brat is where form meets function. The tailgate is adorned with bold Subaru lettering, and the rear lead taillights are seamlessly integrated into the design, providing excellent visibility. The dual exhaust tips and skid plate not only enhance the Brat's rugged look, but also emphasize its performance-oriented nature. The cargo bed is versatile, with ample space for hauling gear, making it ideal for both work and play. The interior of the 2020 Subaru Brat is a blend of comfort, technology, and practicality. The cabin is spacious, with premium materials used throughout. The dashboard is dominated by a large, high-resolution touchscreen that controls the infotainment system, which is equipped with the latest in connectivity, features like Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Subaru's Starlink. The seats are ergonomically designed with durable, water-resistant upholstery, perfect for those who enjoy outdoor adventures. Advanced driver assistance systems are standard, ensuring safety on and off the road. These include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and Subaru's renowned eyesight technology, providing peace of mind whether you are commuting or exploring the wilderness. Under the hood, the 2025 Subaru Brat is powered by a robust turbocharged 2.4-liter flat-4 engine, delivering around 260 horsepower. This engine is paired with a seamless CVT transmission, optimized for both efficiency and power delivery. Subaru's symmetrical all-wheel drive system ensures that the Brat can tackle any terrain with ease, whether it's navigating through urban environments or climbing rocky trails. The suspension has been tuned for a balance of comfort and capability, making the Brat as capable on the highway as it is off-road. Additionally, multiple drive modes allow the driver to adapt the vehicle's performance to various conditions, from slippery roads to rugged terrain. The 2025 Subaru Brat is more than just a pickup. It's a statement, a tribute to Subaru's rich heritage with a clear focus on the future. Whether you're a fan of the original or new to the Brat legacy, this modern marvel is sure to impress. What do you think of the 2025 Subaru Brat? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth reviews and exciting automotive content.